Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from the Trainers team. So today I'm going to talk about flipped classroom. Is it like this? After this. Alright, make it simple. Flipped classroom means we change the process of learning itself. In the traditional approach, usually teachers, trainers or lecturers, they will come to the class and then they just lecture the student, which is we call as a teacher center. We as a student, we just listen. Still, we have to spend more than 2 hours just to listen to the lecture. It's terrible. So now we do have new approach, which is we move from what we call as a teacher center to student center, where we flip the class. Means the teachers not longer be the main person in the class. The student itself will leading the class. Meanwhile, the lecturers, they will act as a facilitators or maybe the advisor. So as a trainer, as a lecturers, there are plenty ways that we can use to practice this, what we call as a flipped classroom learning. Example, we can use Google Classroom. We can even give them tasks before the class, whatever, as long as the student know what actually we're going to learn in upcoming lesson. For example, in my class, I will give them what we call as a BTC before the class. In that BTC, I will list down all the terms that they have to go and find. Trust me, it's just 5 to 10 minutes research, and when they come to our class, the student will share each other. They will share to each other. What do you think about this term? Do you have any point for this term, and etc.? We as a lecturers, as a teachers, as a trainers, we just need to facilitate. So flipped classroom learning not only by giving them a task, it can be anything. It can be games, it can be class activities, it can be watching movie, it can be creating something, it can be a discussion, anything. As long as when the student come to the class, they are prepared. They are not come with zero knowledge. Hopefully this video helped you a bit to understand the concept of flipped classroom learning. Trust me, traditional approach not longer relevant. Students nowadays, they are attached to mobile phones, smartphone, web 3.0, 2.0. So what we have to do is we just need to trigger them, give them something interesting so that they will be more interested to our lesson. Reduce your lecture, give more tasks to them, and you will see how actually they contribute in the class, participate in class. See you guys again in the trainers tips. Bye.